From the moment you see the box, it already feels premium. The packaging, the design, the presentation, nothing about this feels budget. But once you move past the looks and actually start using them, you realize these IEMs are built for a very specific kind of listener. This is the CCA Phoenix. Hi there, I am Abhijit and you're watching TechNutso. On this channel, I focus on real world tech and audio reviews. No overhyping, just how things actually perform in daily use. Thanks to ConceptKart for sending this for review. As always, the opinions shared are my own. The CCA Phoenix sets expectations high right from the start. So today, let's see what it really offers just beyond the looks. The unboxing experience here is genuinely premium. The box is black with clean white CCA branding on the top left, and right in the center you have the Phoenix logo in this yellow gold color, which looks really nice and eye-catching. Once you slide the box out, you lift it open from both sides and the first thing you see is this 3D card with the Phoenix branding. It's a small detail, but it instantly sets the tone. After that, you get your first look at the IEMs themselves, and they look very cool and premium sitting inside the box. Below that, you will find a leather carry case along with the user manual. Inside the carry case, you get the braided silver plated cable and 2 extra pair of ear tips. Overall, the presentation feels well thought out and premium, and honestly, it's one of the better unboxing experience in this segment. In terms of build quality, the CCA Phoenix feels very solid. The shells are made using aerospace-grade metal with 5-axis CNC machining, and the build feels robust and durable. Design-wise, you get a really nice two-tone finish. There's a purple and grey variant and another dark grey option with red accents on the inside. These are the 2 of the 3 variants available and the ones I have right now. Both look awesome and definitely stand out. Left and right channels are color coded for easy identification. The left side has the CCA branding, while the right side has the Phoenix logo embossed on it. Subtle details that add to the premium feel. The cable is braided, silver plated, and has a unique design. It feels well made and matches the premium look of the IEMs nicely. You also get a 3-button inline controller with an inbuilt microphone, volume up, volume down, and play or pause. It's convenient if you're using these with the phone for calls and media. Despite being metal, the shells aren't heavy. They are comfortable to wear for long durations. I am using the large ear tips and I haven't faced any kind of fatigue. They fit well in my ears, stay secure, and overall comfort has been very good. Now let's talk about the sound, because this is where the CCA Phoenix really shows who it's meant for. The soundstage is wide, which I really liked. The audio doesn't feel cramped and instrument separation is nice. You can clearly distinguish between different elements in the mix, giving the sound a more open presentation. The bass here is smooth. It's not aggressive, it's not very punchy, and it doesn't go deep. Some tracks sound good enough, especially well produced ones, but if you are a bass lover, these are not for you. There is no heavy slam or deep rumble. When it comes to music, vocals can sometimes feel a little unclear and tend to mix in with the treble at times. It's not bad, but it's noticeable on certain tracks. However, for movies, YouTube, and other video content, these perform really well. Dialogues are very clear and stand out nicely, which I genuinely liked. Treble is the highlight of these IEMs. If you lean more towards treble, you will probably enjoy the Phoenix. The highs bring out energy and detail, while the bass stays slightly in the background to support the mids and highs. This tuning won't be for everyone, but for the right listener, it works. In terms of detail, they are detailed enough. Not extremely detailed, but definitely not dull either. They strike a good balance for everyday listening. If you are someone who prefers a treble-leaning sound with slight bass just to complement the mids and highs, the CCA Phoenix makes sense. But if you want deep bass or warmer, fuller sound, this probably isn't the right IEM for you. Pairing this with a DAC can enhance the experience to a great extent. A good DAC helps clean things up and brings out more from the sound. I have tested this with the Audiocular Note DAC amp, and the video for that is coming out soon, so stay subscribed for that. Now coming to the gaming performance, I tested the CCA Phoenix with BGMI and the experience was actually quite good. Sound cues like footsteps and gunshots are accurate and directional audio is clear. You can easily tell where sounds are coming from, which is really important in competitive games. Because of the wide soundstage and decent instrument separation, these actually work well for gaming. So yes, the CCA Phoenix can definitely be used for gaming without any issues. One more thing I want to mention, I personally prefer the 3.5mm variant of these IEMs over the USB-C version. With the 3.5 mm connection, you have more flexibility to pair them with a DAC or other audio gear, and overall it just gives you more control over the sound. The microphone on the CCA Phoenix IEM gives out a clear voice, and here's a quick sample.
So hi there, this is a microphone sample I'm recording from the CCA Phoenix IEM. I'm in my room with no fan on, so let me know how do I sound.
My voice sounds clear and it's good enough for calls as well as gaming. The CCA Phoenix delivers a premium unboxing experience, excellent build quality, and a sound signature that's clearly tuned for a specific audience. Treble focused listeners who also consume a lot of video content, this one's worth checking out. I'll leave the current pricing and the purchase link in the video description, and I'll also pin it in the comments. If you are interested, go check it out. So that wraps up my review of the CCA Phoenix IEM. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll answer the relevant ones. For any tech related queries, join the Telegram channel Real TechNutso and DM me. I'm happy to help. Links are in the description. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram for behind the scenes content and upcoming product reveals. So see you guys in the next one. TechNutso signing off.